today we are talk about the 33 by 50 house plan, as in also we are says like a bungalow plan, which is a 3 BHK house plan with the hall, dining and the other drawing room which is in first floor. So let's get start with the ground floor. But here I mentioned something. This is located to the eastern region of India. So let's start with the ground floor. So guys, as you can see, this one is the ground floor and this one is the first floor. So let's get started with the parking wala portion. So here is the main road and here is also one another main road, which is our first one is the primary and second one which is the secondary road. This one is the main entry for the parking, which is horizontally is the front portion which is 8 feet 6 and the back of the angular portion which is the 13 feet 4 and the vertically which is in 22 feet. This is the main entry. You can say that patio also. You can also say that is a quota. So which is a 12 feet 4 by 6 feet 10. It means here to here horizontally 12 feet 4 and the here to here vertically 6 feet 10. This one is the main entry for the home residence. The living room which is the 12 feet by 18 feet 6. It means here to here horizontally 12 and here to here vertically 18 feet 6 inch. This is the go for the bifurcation between the living and the kitchen. We are centrally connected a puja area which is here. The puja area which is the 6 feet 6 by 4 feet 7. It means here to here horizontally 6 feet 6 and here to here vertically 4 feet 7. This is the kitchen area which is a 12 feet 2 by 13 feet 1. It means here to here horizontally 12 feet 2 and here which is vertically is 13 feet 1. As you can see, we are provide a common toilet here which is 8 feet 1 inch by 5. It means here to here is 8 feet 1 and here to here is vertically 5 feet. This is the back of the rest space for the parking. This is the staircase goes for the upper floor level. Here is the provide bedroom which is a 13 feet 11 inch by 10 feet 1. It means here to here horizontally 13 feet 11 and here to here vertically 10 feet 1. Yeah, and we are also providing some green space for the refreshing. So here is the sliding door. We can also go for the backward side direction. This one is the attached toilet which is a 7 feet by 4 feet 7. It means here to here horizontally 7 feet and here to here vertically 4 feet 7 inch. Yeah, we have forget to talk about the wash area, so let's also talk about that. Here is the open plot and here is the another property. Here is the entry for the wash area. This is the overall wash area which is the 12 feet 2 by 5 feet 4. It means here to here horizontally 12 feet 2 and here to here vertically 5 feet 4. Here we are located a washing machine. So we are done with the ground floor. Let's go for the upper floor which is a first floor. So we are go to the here and we are dropped here and we are also go for the here to we can also go for the terrace floor level, but we are not discussing now yet. So this is the overall drawing room kind of space for the guest. You can sit here and talk here, whatever you do that. So which is a 20 feet by 26 almost, which is a 20 feet 6 inch. It means here to here horizontally and vertically here to here is 26 feet by 4 feet. And the back of the drawing room which is a balcony space for the sitting and all. So which is 20 feet by 6. It means here to here horizontally 20 feet 6 inch and here to here vertically 7 feet 4. And yeah, this one is the master bedroom and this one is also master bedroom. The master bedroom which is a 12 feet 6 by 10 feet 1. It means here to here horizontally 12 feet 6 and here to here vertically 10 feet 1. Here is the provide balcony space and here is the attached toilet. The balcony, which is the 6 feet 2 by 5 feet, it means here to here horizontally 6 feet 2 and here to here vertically 5 feet. This one is the attached toilet, which is the 6 feet by 4 feet 7, it means here to here horizontally 6 and here to here vertically 4 feet 7. We are not providing any kind of the OTS, it means open to sky. Reason is it because of back of the space which is open. So why we are use as an OTS space for the congested space. This one is the master bedroom, which is the same as in the other bedroom. This one is the attached toilet. This attached toilet is which is the sum of difference because of here to here horizontally 6 feet 7 and here to here vertically 4 feet 7. This one is the this one is the balcony, which is in angular. So balcony size to the broad size, there is the 5 feet 4 and towards the narrow direction, which is the 3 feet almost. And here we are provide for the upper floor level for the terrace, but here we are not talking about that. So we are done with the 33 by 50 house plan. So guys, do you have any kind of query, you are stuck anywhere, just contact us through our contact number. We are available for that. And thanks for watching, and wait for another updated video.